Outlook Quick Parts tutorial. So here I am in the classic version of Outlook for the Microsoft 365. So in order to use Quick Parts, you need to use the classic version of Outlook since this feature is not available in the new version or like the web version of Outlook. And then in order to use Quick Parts, we just need to create a new email draft right here. So for example, I'll create a new email. Then for the recipient, we can put like any person right here. So I'll just use my other email. Then we can put like a subject title right here. And then from here, in order to use Quick Parts, you need to go to the Insert tab. Then you will see the option right here for Quick Parts. And what this basically is that you can create saved words right here, or saved phrases, or saved sentences that you normally use, so that you don't need to type them every time that you create an email. So for example, let's put the intro remarks of this email to be to whom it may concern. And then I can add a space for the paragraph of the email. And then what you can do is that you can save this specific sentence or this specific remark right here in Quick Parts. So from here, you can go to Quick Parts, then you can click the Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery, or you can save selection to Auto Text Gallery. So they are basically the same thing. If I click that, it will open up the same window right here. And then from here, you can go ahead and add the name and then the description of your Quick Parts saved text right here. So for the name, I'll just put to whom it may concern. And then for the description, intro remarks for to whom it may concern, for example, like that. And then what you can do is that you can click OK. And now, whenever you create an email, you can just go ahead and use Quick Parts right here so that you can have that specific text automatically added right here. So in that way, you don't need to type this specific remark every time you create an email. So you can also add your signature right here. So for example, I'll put right here regards, and then we have like the first name and then last name right here, and company, and then position, for example, like that. Then from here, I can highlight that, go back to Quick Parts, and then we can save the selection to the Quick Part Gallery. And then from here, I can put my name for the email signature. And then for the description, I'll just put email signature at the end of the email. And then click OK. And now, whenever you create your email, instead of typing in regards and then your name and then company and then position right here, you can just use Quick Parts right here to go ahead and use that option. Then you can also go to Auto Text right here to see all of your other Quick Parts texts. And then that is basically it. So keep in mind that this is only available for the classic version of Outlook for the Microsoft 365. So if you're using the new version of Outlook, there isn't an option right here to add Quick Parts. So at the time of making this video, there isn't a Quick Parts option right here. So this is only available for the classic version of Outlook. But that is basically it. So that is how we can use the Quick Parts feature right here in Outlook. I hope you learned how to use them, and thank you for watching.